Welcome. We are being face to face with the exploration and the chase steps of Ganita Sutras of seed format space. Beej Satta Akash is our main point of focus. Our attention is upon the seed beach as a creation like any other creation, beach, the seed as well is a creation. TCV beach equal to 16 is parallel with the Vinita Sutras being 16 in number. The value 16 is the value parallel to the value of the dimensional frame of quadruple dimensions of spatial order of the four space. Therefore, this initial parallel feature of TCV of beach, the number of Ganita Sutras, and the value of the dimensional frame of creator space will help us ensure that the chase is on the right track. There are 16 Ganita Sutras, and as such, the one way to approach them is as quadruple set of 4 sutras each. Therefore, the first 4 sutras are being taken up today. Ganita Sutra 1 is Eka Adhikena Purve, and the Ganita Sutra 2 is Ganita Sutra 2 is Nikhlim Nosta Charmam Gashita. Ganita Sutra 3 is Dharmtriyabhyam, and Ganita Sutra 4 is Pravartya Yojit. Today we shall be focusing upon these quadruple sutras, and we will have a chase steps of the Beej Satta Akash seed format space in terms of the format features and values of the processing steps of Ganita Sutras 1 to 4. Ganita Sutra 1 is Eka Adhike Purve. Ganita Sutra 1 is a complete scripture in itself. This text, Eka Adhike Purve, is a text of 16 letters. Here in the table, along with the serial numbers of the letters, are tabulated their respective TC values. Therefore, while we will be having a chase of format features of the processing steps of Ganita Sutra 1, then for inner folds, we shall be approaching parallel to TCV values range. However, at the first step, the chase is going to be in terms of the mathematical rule, the mathematical processing order of Ganita Sutra 1. It is one more than before. So it is a progressive processing step. This progressing processing step is to have one step, then have one more step, then to have one more step, and to continue infinitely. As such, the unfolding process of the Beej Satta Akash in terms of Ganita Sutra 1 will have a sequential unfolding of the seed as creation. Now, creations are of creators of format. These creations are of 4 folds. These 4 folds are dimension fold, boundary fold, domain fold, and origin fold. Therefore, when we want to reach at the domain fold of this creation, that is the seed. That means we have to have 3 steps. So first step will take us only up till the dimensional order, second will take us up till the boundary, and third will take us up till domain. Therefore, the processing steps of Ganita Sutra 1 as one more than before would mean that we have to have unfolding process for the seed in sequential steps, and these sequential steps are to be parallel with the dimension fold, the boundary fold, the domain fold, and the origin fold of this creation. As such, seed is to be approached as a four-fold creation. The seed as a created entity is a representative regular body of the corresponding dimensional order of the seed. Therefore, if the seed is of physical matter, then it is going to be of a linear order, spatial boundary, solid domain, and hypersolid origin. However, when the seed is of creative order, then its dimension will be 2 space, boundary will be 3 space, domain would be 4 space, and origin would be 5 space. As such, when we say that seed gives us surface as a boundary, then it is a creative order setup. The seeds as are physically appearing, those are the manifestations accepting a spatial boundary. It is this feature of the seed as of a spatial boundary. So it is going to be of a linear order. So linear order, spatial boundary, solid domain, and hypersolid origin is the first expression of the seeds in our physical world. Therefore, the physical world seeds of the plants are going to be of the creations as of hypercube 3 format. Therefore, initially, we have to approach every seed as of the format of hypercube 3. As it is going to be of the format of hypercube 3, so Ganita Sutra 1 will help us have comprehension of this setup by having linear progression one more than before order for its dimensional order. Therefore, Ganita Sutra 1 as it is, it will provide us a chase for the dimension fold of physical matters seeds. The plants of the physical world will be the plants of linear order, spatial boundary, solid domain, and hypersolid origin. As such, the seeds of plants of physical worlds are to be approached at initial stage as being of the format of hypercube 3. In this way, when we are at the initial stage for unfolding the Bij Satta Akash, then naturally we will be approaching it as the seeds of the physical plants, which in other words would mean the physical entities which will take us to the creators of space as hypercube 3 manifestations. As such, at this initial stage, Ganita Sutra 1 will be applicable and will bring us face to face with the dimension fold setup of the seed format space. However, one may have a pause here and take note that when we will be at the subtle stage, that is at the next stage, that is at the spatial order stage, then Ekadhiken Purvain along with Ganita Upsutra 1 Anurupain will be helping us to approach the dimension fold as a spatial dimension, as two space in the role of a dimension, and the progression for two space as dimension is to be as per the dimensional synthesis rules of the spatial dimensions. However, for the present, at this initial stage of the chase, we are approaching seed as of a physical plants. The physical matter is of expression of the format of hypercube 3, the representative regular bodies of 3 space in 4 space. The next phase is going to be the phase of a chase along the format of Ganita Sutra 2 and in terms of the processing steps of mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 2. The Ganita Sutra 2 text is Nikhilin Navastacharmam Dashita. It is implying as all from 9 and last from 10. One may have a pause here and take note that when it is being said all from 9, then why it is not the last, the 10 as well is covered by all. So we shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to glimpse the sharp distinction between all and the lost. Now, all apparently includes the lost of the range of all. However, here when we will be approaching a continuity of discretes, say 10 discrete points continuity. Now we know the 10 points range leads to 9 gaps. The 9 gaps setup of range of 10 points gives us a pair of generic units. The discrete points lead to one generic unit. The gaps as well lead to another generic unit. So the first generic units are 10. The second generic units are 9. So when we say that we are having a reach from the starting point to the end point, then we will be having a cover in terms of the all the 9 gaps. So we will be crossing all the 9 gaps. When we say all the gap gaps of the range, so naturally in this illustrative case of 10 points range of 9 gaps, then all would be up till value 9. However, the last point of this range is the 10th point, and so the last is to be from 10. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this inherent mathematical processing feature of Vedic mathematics. Ganita Sutra 2 is leading to a mathematical processing system in terms of which simultaneously a pair of generic units are being covered. This simultaneous coverage of a pair of generic units is a unique phenomenon. It is this unique phenomenon which also brings us face to face with a transition and transformation from the initial stage of Ganita Sutra 1, which is of linear progression of a linear order. However, here, at the phase and stage of Ganita Sutra 2, we are transiting and transforming from linear order 3 space to spatial order 4 space. Therefore, we reach as chase of Bij Satta Akash in terms of Ganita Sutras at this phase and stage will be a reach of transition from the mundane state of linear order to the subtle stage of a spatial order. It is this reach from the mundane state of linear order to subtle stage of spatial order is the reach which deserves to be comprehended well. Now, let us see that the text of Ganita Sutra 2, Nikhlim Navasta Charmam Dashata, is a setup of 3-word formulations of 7, 14, and 17, 7 letters. Have a fresh look at this 7, 14, and 7 values triple. This values triple as it is on the face of it brings us in the organization of 7 steps as linear steps. Then at the middle there are 14, 7 plus 7 steps, and then at the end as well there are 7 steps. It is just like approaching the middle of an interval from its both ends. One may further have a pause here and take note that the linear progression of the format of Ganita Sutra 1 of the processing steps 1 more than before is a chase from one end and it being of ad infinite steps. However, the chase of Ganita format of Ganita Sutra 2 is of approach from both ends, and it is this feature that if the processing is to be from one end alone, then it will be of a linear progression. However, when the processing is going to be from both ends, then the processing is going to be of a spatial order as much as that the approach at the middle from its both ways will provide it a spatial format. One may further have a pause here and take note that value 7 as formulation sub is of tissue value 14. Still further, it also will be blissful to take note that 7 is equal to 7 geometries range of 3 space, and there are 7 versions of hypercube 3, and these are the respective representative geometric bodies of 7 geometries of 3 space. However, the value 14 accepts an organization 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is parallel to 4-fold manifestation layer of hypercube 4, the representative regular body of a 4 space. Therefore, the chase of Bij Satta Akash in terms of Ganita Sutra 1 will provide us insight about the setup at the first fold, that is at the dimension fold, and same initially is to be of the format of a linear progression. These Ganita Sutra 2 processing steps will take us step ahead of the first fold That is, here the reach is going to be at the second fold of the creation setup of a beach. This second stage of the creation is of the format features of the second fold, that is of a boundary fold. Therefore, the chase steps in terms of Ganita Sutras at the phase and stage of Ganita Sutra 2 is going to be of the reach up till the boundary fold. As such, the seed, while apparently at the outer face, is of some features, and its inner folds, layer by layer, are going to be of different format features. It is this processing step which, along with the corresponding Ganita Upsutras, will further provide us an insight and enlightenment about the different variations of format features of the inner folds of the seed as a creation of fourfold within creator space. A step ahead, Ganita Sutra 3 will take us to the upward rise from the middle. Ganita Sutra 3 text is Udhar Tiryebhyam. Literally, it means proceeding upward and crosswise. That means the progression here is going to be upward and it is going to be crosswise, that is, it is going to be along the diagonal. So this format is transition and transformation from the format of Ganita Sutra 2, which takes us to the spatial setup at the middle. However, a step ahead, as 2 space is having 3 space in the role of a dimension. As such, the transition at this phase and stage of the processing step of Ganita Sutra 3 is giving us a reach at the origin of a 2 space. So it is the phenomenon of a reach at the domain fold. See, initially we started with linear progression format parallel to the first dimension fold. Ganita Sutra 2 is of the format parallel to the second fold, that is the spatial boundary. And then at this phase and stage, we are having a reach at solid domain enveloped within a spatial boundary. One shall have a pause here and see that the text of Ganita Sutras 3 as such is availing 15 letters. The value 15 is the TC value of formulation punch. And we also know that 3 space plays the role of solid dimension of 5 space. 5 space is having dimensional frame of 5 solid dimensions. The value of the solid dimensional frame of 5 solid dimension comes to be 15. As such, at this phase and stage of chase in terms of the processing steps of mathematics of Ganita Sutra 3 is phase and stage, which on the one hand is taking us up till third fold. At the second, it is taking us to the domain fold, and the next simultaneously it is also taking us to the 3 space in the role of a dimension, and hence there being a reach up till the solid dimensional frame. Therefore, one shall sit comfortably and to have a sequential glimpsing of the chase of Ganita Sutras processing steps sequentially being of linear progression, of spatial order, and of a solid order. Now, these three processing steps of first three Ganita Sutras, as these are when are available for chase of the creations including seed, then this chase of creations for the first three folds in terms of the mathematical domain processing steps of Ganita Sutras 1, 2, and 3, the same will be of the coverage up till the first three folds of the manifested creations. We know that first three folds of the manifested creations are dimension fold, boundary fold, and a domain fold. Therefore, the reach up till this phase and stage in the context of a seed for chase of its satta, Akash, is going to be of a reach only up till the three folds. A step ahead, the fourth fold is the origin fold. And we know the fourth fold, the origin fold, is the fold which is of a dimensional order higher than that of the domain. One may have a pause here and take note that first three values 1, 2, and 3 are unique as much as that none of them is having any proper divisor at all. And the value 4 as the fourth number is the first composite number, and it is accepting 2 as a proper divisor. It is this structural organization distinctive feature of number value 4 which is reflected in the processing steps in the organization features of the text of Ganita Sutra 4. Ganita Sutra 4 text is Pravarte Yojit. One may have a pause here and be face to face with a simple rendering of this text which comes to be transpose and unite. That means there is going to be a bend. This bend is going to be at the middle, and then the both parts on either side of the middle being otherwise of opposite orientations with reversal of the same will get superimposed upon each other. It is this feature which deserves to be imbibed distinctively, fully, for complete insight and for appropriate enlightenment about the processing steps of the chase of the inner folds of the manifested creations of the creator's space. 4 is a composite number. 4 has 2 as its proper divisor. 2 itself is a prime. So 2 itself is not having a proper divisor. Therefore, this chase of the inner structuring in terms of value 4 as a composite number will have a stop up till its spatial dimension. It is this seal, it is this stop of the inner processing steps of value 4 of 4 space of creator's space which brings us face to face with the solid order of the transcendental origin of the creator's space. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this sequential progression, starting with the linear progression features of Ganita Sutra 1, the spatial reach at the middle by having an approach, by a permissible approach from either side, then there being a transition of happening at the middle, which is of a spatial format and same is having a solid origin. It is the feature of a solid origin of two space which further takes us to the transcendental scene accepted by the creator's space at its origin seat. Therefore, the sadhakas, fulfilled with the intensity of urge, shall sit comfortably and to be face to face with this sequential progression of the organization format features as well as of the processing steps of Ganita Sutras 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then parallel to it to have a chase for the inner folds of Bij, Satta, Akash. One way to acquire further insight about these organization features and values of the mathematical domain as well as the processing steps of mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 1 to 4 and also of the subsequent sutras is that the text of each sutra shall be approached firstly as is complete integrated composition, unified composition accepting value 1. Then it shall be approached as the number of words which make this composition. Like Ekadhiken Purven is having two words composition, Nikhlim Navastacharmam Dashita is of triple words, Udharv Tirigem is a single word, and Pravarta Yoje is of two words again. So these 8 words set up of Ganita Sutras 1 to Ganita Sutra 4 have their distinctive role to play for a chase of the Bij, Satta, Akash. At the next step, these texts of the Ganita Sutras are to be approached in terms of their TCV, in terms of the number of letters. So Ganita Sutra 1 is a text of 16 letters. Ganita Sutra 2 is a text of 28 letters. Ganita Sutra 3 is a text of 15 letters. And Ganita Sutra 4 is a text of 17 letters. This makes a 16 plus 28, 44, plus 15, 59, plus 17 is 76. These 76 letters, as per split of their composition as 16, 28, 15, and 17, lead to another set of features which will help us and equip us and will provide us further insight about the formats along which the inner folds of the creations, including seed, are to be chased. The next step is to reach at the TCV values of these Ganita Sutras. As Ganita Sutra 1 text of 16 letters is accepting TC value 75. See, the value 75 is parallel to the synthesis value of pair of transcendence ranges of a solid order. Therefore, like that, we have to glimpse, we have to be parallel with the TCV values of each Ganita Sutra and then ahead, as we know that there are as many as 6 inner folds for each transcendental code value, and these 6 inner folds of TC values will further enrich our insight and which will further potentialize our enlightenment, and in terms thereof we will be face to face with the innermost self-referral state of the seed. Each value, each of the 6 inner fold values, the TC value itself, the number of letters, the number of syllables, the number of words are to be availed for complete chase of the inner folds of the seeds. However, it shall be specifically understood that up till this stage of Ganita Sutras 1 to 4, there is going to be only a quarter of the chase. So first 4 sutras make 1/4 of the text of the Ganita Sutras. The other 3 quarters are to be covered in terms of Ganita Sutras 5 to 8, 9 to 12, and 13 to 16. One shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to be parallel with the organization format features of Ganita Sutras and their processing steps, and then parallel to it in terms of these processing steps, one shall sequentially, very gently chase and be face to face with the inner structures of seeds. This chase as such is going to be a general chase, and when we will come to the specific seeds, then certainly we will have the additional specific distinctive features of such formats which are to be worked and to be availed. Thank you very much.